Guys, in today's video, I'm bringing you once again a way to unlock the pattern lock screen on your Samsung A06. For those of you who forgot it, as you can see here, it's asking to enter the home screen pin. You can see here, it's asking to enter the password, or rather, right? And here is the lock icon, right? If you also need to unlock your email or your Google account, in a bit I'll explain how you can do that, so you can unlock it, alright? In some cases you'll also need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. So go ahead and try it out, whichever way works for you. Leave a comment below to let us know and also to help others. Also for others, remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything that's stored on them as well, just so you know. It's a good idea to take out your card and your SIM too, so nothing on them gets affected. Connect the cable. We're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down button and press the volume up button. The Samsung logo will appear on the screen and the name will stay on the display. Release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you to follow along. Volume down and power. Keep holding for just a few more seconds. Let's go. Keep going, release the volume down, press the volume up now, pay attention to the screen. You saw that the screen flickered a little. I'm still holding it. Just a few more seconds. Release the volume down, or rather, release the power button and keep holding the volume button. Now this is recovery mode. You can disconnect the cable. Now let's scroll down to this option, where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button once. On this next screen, go down with the volume down button and confirm again. Let's wait for this process to finish. Once you get here, just confirm one more time. And now your device is already being unlocked. You'll see that it will restart and there won't be any password, pattern or pin anymore. As we mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you need to unlock your email or your Google account, get in touch with us. Send us a message to clear up your questions or any other doubts you might have. If this video helped you, and if you are able to, you can make a contribution to our channel. Our Pix key will also be in the video description. And it doesn't matter what the amount is, what's important is your support. Your help is your support and your gratitude, I hope. I hope I was able to help you all. That was today's video. Thanks and take care.